neko ima penziju, a neko Boga mi I platu, šta to? Zato ima mujo naš mujo.
So this is the famous Sarajevo Bazaar, a small little town. Yet beautiful and fragrant. They told me of a legend that if I drink the water of a certain drinking fountain, I am bound to return to Sarajevo someday. I don't believe in those legends. I think I smell the scent of freshly baked bread, an intense fragrance. Bai told me that the most famous bakery in Sarajevo is close by. You can, in all hours of the day, buy the best croissants, patisseries with chocolate and all other pastries. It sounds to me that the most interesting one is the somun. This is a sort of small round bread with a specific taste and aroma. It is part of the tradition carried from the Ottoman rule of this area. Somun goes best with all kinds of local traditional dishes. Formed on the crossroads between East and West, the Bosnian cuisine has evolved through centuries under the direct influence of Turkish, Greek and even Italian cuisine. Through all this time, it has created its own identity. It stands apart with dishes that can be tasted in their original form only in Bosnia. Cevapi is certainly a dish whose taste is unique to Bosnia. Nowhere in the world do cevapi taste as good as they do here. He who has not tasted cevapi cannot say they have been to Sarajevo. I enjoyed the Sarajevo cevapi so much that I came back once more only to commend the master cevapi chef on his work and thank him. I managed to catch him in his work cooking this delicacy.
Cevapi se pripremaju na ovom roštilju na ugalj. Znači, loži se vatra, ugalj se zapali, ima rešetka, priprema se, stavljaju se cevapi na tu zagrijanu rešetku, peku se kašikom, stalno se moraju da vrti, da ne bi bili s jedne strane pečeni, s jedne nepečeni. Onda dolazi preko, kad približno bude gotov cevap, dolazi preko njega samun. On se napari gore na cevapima, pripremi se gore i onda bude ko malo masla i ugrije se dobro i servira se u porciju, u tanjir se servira sa lukom i to je to. Ako neko voli, može doći kajmak.
The opinion of the local Sarajevo population and that of its visitors regarding the first Sarajevo specialty are mixed. While some say that cevapi has a clear first place, others say that it is not cevapi but burek that should take the first place. Just today I have made up my mind to get a burek and see who is right. So, burek it is. True, it's tasty. The choice of a first and best Sarajevo specialty is downright impossible. I have enjoyed with all my senses so many different types of food that I wouldn't know what I'd suggest first to someone else. I might not be able to recommend the best Sarajevo dish, and I am probably not the only one. I am sure of one thing though. I want to come back here and experience all of this again.
I'm addicted, wanna jump inside your love. I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. Got me running like I'm Flojo. Signs a name on my heart with an XO. Love so sweet, got me vexed though. I wanna wish it right back like presto, yes. Meantime, I wait for the next time. She come around for a toast to the best time. We LOL back and forth on the text line. She got me fishing for a love, I confess I'm something about a smile and a combo got me high and I ain't coming down, yo. My heart's pumping out louder than electro. She got me feeling like Mr. Roboto.